Hey guys, it's October 9th, 2018. This is just going to be a super short update of what has changed and anything interesting from this week. So, you can see the saffron from last year has sprouted, and I found some tomato seedlings from all the tomatoes I tossed away in the tomato pot. So, I think I'm gonna save some of the tomato seeds for next year if I wanted to plant tomatoes. And the saffron I planted last month, you can see the leaves are coming out now. It's looking great. Give you a closer look. And the potato is really getting bigger. I think at this stage they're just trying to store as much energy into the potatoes, so you can see it's really getting bigger, um, poking out of the soil. And I also got some more bulbs, including this guy, because they all died last year. And I got another variety of daffodils, the Mount Baker variety, which produces white flowers. And as for the indoor garden, one most notable difference is the mini Oncidium flowers. You can see there's a lot more new flowers coming out from other spots that I thought there's not going to be flowers. So yeah, I'm just gonna give you a quick look of all of the new flower sprouts, such as this one right here. It's new. This one is new too. This is from previous videos. So there's quite a few new flower sprouts. And then the ficus tree is doing pretty well. You can see the new leaves are staying. They're not falling off. So that's a good sign for sure. And I want to update you on the Hoya too. You can see this new growth is getting super long. And at the nodes, I think there's gonna be some new leaves, even though it's super tiny right now. You probably can't see them. But yeah, the Hoya plant is doing very well.